Today I'm going to show you how to access your online textbook. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the website my.hrw.com. Once you get there, you'll be asked to log in. You should log in using the login username and password that I provided you with at the beginning of class. Once you're logged in, if you have more than one textbook by this publisher, they should both be displayed here. Since both the Algebra 1 textbook and the Geometry textbook that I use are made by the same company, I can see them both here. For your class, I'm going to click Go to the online textbook next to the Geometry picture. Once I get here, there are two different options for ways to navigate this textbook. The first way is by using the menus in the upper left corner of the screen. The first menu says select a chapter, so the first thing I would do is select which chapter I'd like to go to. Let's pretend that I want to go to section 3.2. I would choose chapter 3 from that menu, and then the second menu updates to list the things that are in chapter 3. So if I click on that menu, I could choose to go to lesson 3.2 and then click go, and it will take me to that page. Now once I'm in that section, I can choose to navigate using this upper menu on the right side of the page. So I can choose next to move to the next page, or if I know exactly which page I would like to go to, for example, let's pretend that I know my homework is on page 156, or 158, I would choose 158 and click go, and it would take me directly to that page where you can see it says 3.2 exercises, or in other words, the homework for this section. Another thing that's under this first menu is what's called the student handbook. Now this is a particular part of the book that you're going to want to pay attention to because we will be using it from time to time for homework problems. So under the student handbook menu, you can choose to look at extra practice, a problem-solving handbook, postulates, constructions, selected answers, glossary, index, etc. If you want to choose the extra practice, which is where we're going to find some of our homework problems, and click go, you can see that the page numbers are slightly different. Instead of using all numbers, all of the extra practice pages start with EPS and then a number. For example, EPS 2 is extra practice for chapter 1. All right, now it's time to start the online scavenger hunt, so go ahead and good luck.